Hey everyone, welcome back. It is Labor Day weekend in New Jersey. It is hot. It was cool the last week. Today it is probably above 90. It's a hot day. And we're gonna do some smoked stuffed portobello mushrooms on the smoker. I'm gonna prepare some other stuff on the stovetop, add it to the mushrooms and smoke the whole thing. So stay tuned. It's going to be a good one. All right, so we're going to start the stuffing for the mushrooms inside on the stovetop. Just a little avocado oil, or I'm sorry, olive oil. I got fresh chopped garlic, 1 shallot. I'm just going to add that in. Stir it around and saute it. After your garlic and shallots start to brown, add a little bit of salt, just a little bit, and dump in your sausage. We're just gonna brown this sausage, get it maybe, I don't know, halfway done. Chop it up, get it into small bits, let it brown with the garlic and the shallots. After that, it'll finish cooking in the smoker. About 10 minutes in, grab a spatula, grind that sausage up as best you can into the smallest pieces that you can. Sausage is very easy and great to work with because it's hard to overcook because of all the fat. Just turn it over. The bigger pieces that you find, just cut them in half. As it cooks down, the pieces will get smaller and smaller as the fat renders out. Break them down. That's all. Just get them as small as you can because you're going to have to fit them inside the sausage, or inside the mushrooms rather. So just break them down as small as you can. I would say let this cook for maybe 15 minutes at most, just until it gets nice and brown and, you know, almost 100% cooked. You're still going to put it on the smoker in the mushrooms to finish it off. This is pretty much what it should look like before you stuff the mushrooms. So I took the portobello mushrooms, took the stem out, scraped out the inside as best I could, kind of make it like a deep cavity in there, if you can see, to hold the stuffing as best as you can. Some people use what they scrape out as part of their stuffing. I do not. You could do either way. But these are the mushrooms scraped out and ready to be stuffed. All right, so for part of the stuffing of the mushrooms, I have 1 onion chopped in half, some tomatoes and peppers from the garden. I'm actually going to put these on the smoker for probably, I don't know, half hour or so. Let them get some smoke on them. And then we'll chop them up and add them to the sausage that we're going to stuff the peppers with. So here's the smoked veggies, maybe 30-40 minutes on the smoker. The sauteed sausage, garlic, and shallots, and the portobello mushrooms. Gonna chop everything up, stuff the mushrooms, add cheese, and put them on the smoker. Stay tuned. Okay, so here everything is prepped and ready to go. One piece of advice after you do the tomatoes and the onions and the peppers, drain the extra liquid. There's going to be a ton of water from the tomatoes. They hold a ton of water, and you don't want that to sog out your mushrooms, so just drain the extra water like I did here. There's not much left in there, as you can see. This is the smoked tomato, onions, and peppers. It's going to go with the sausage and garlic into the peppers and top with cheese. All right, so we got all the prep work done. We smoked the onions, tomatoes, and peppers. Almost looks like a salsa here. We cleaned out the portobello mushrooms, the stems, and everything inside. And we sauteed the sausage and garlic and shallots. Grab some fresh or shredded mozzarella right here. So let's get to work. Here they are, 45 minutes on the pit. They look tremendous. Give them a try. Let me know what you think.